video, we're going to demonstrate how to install the panels on the left and right hand side of an AC window unit. These panels will go through these guides, and there's a little piece of plastic. This is going to be the left hand side of the unit. Looking from the front, the orientation will be the left hand side. You can either slide this from the bottom or the top, it doesn't matter. Once you get it in between there and you straddle this little clip, you can go ahead and continue up and pull it all the way through from the bottom or the top, either one. It's just easier for me to see it as I'm pulling it up through from the bottom to the top. And once you get to the top portion, you want to have that flush with that bracket that's in the top unit. Pull it a little bit and make sure all your little louvers are inside of these side panel frames. And then just push it together. Even them out, fluff them out a little bit. This is a close-up of the top portion, how it's going into the guide. That guide that it goes into, that was assembled on the unit when it was new. This is a used unit. And as you can see, the bottom portion also has a guide that's on it. That was already on the unit. That didn't have to be installed when it was purchased. As you can see, this has to slide in at the same time as the top portion. Now that the left side is secure, go ahead and just make sure everything's sliding properly. And push it back and forth, just to ensure it's correct. Now we're over on the right hand side. We've already installed the louver portion in the little brackets. And now we'll just go ahead and do the same as we did on the left side. We'll put it in the guide portion, and we'll put this metal frame through there and make sure it slides, and make sure all your little plastic louvers are in place. All right, now we've got the left side and the right side installed. Now we can adjust it to whatever the window width is. This one starts at, I think, 24 inches. And here it is installed. So you can see from the inside, then the outside. There's a spacer panel on this one. And hopefully this helps somebody figure out their unit and assemble it. And thank you for your time.